I want to welcome you guys to Vernon Park. Yesterday we found this place by just driving around North Vernon, or Vernon, Indiana. Yeah, that's how we find most of our hidden gems. And it was here, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I said, Angie, not only is it loaded with beauty, it actually has a railroad bridge. Wouldn't that be awesome? We, excuse me, ever came. Oh, Angie's pointing something out to me. What, hun?
Do we want to go down there and get it from that angle?
If I could get it. Well, guys, there's a train coming. And that's what I wanted to see. That's what I was hoping for. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the GoPro away. And I got the Vixen with me. And I'm going to get everything lined up when that train comes. Find the best spot to videotape it from. So, we see you guys in a little bit. Okay. Walk through here. Try to pay attention so I don't fall and break my neck. So beautiful down here. You know, we found this spot like we find everything else. Exploring, taking roads we never taken before. You know, stopping, getting out of the car, looking around. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to get this spot here in a minute. See, to me, this is beautiful. You may not have the same taste as me, but guys, what I'm about ready to show you on the G60, G70, Michael. Oh, my word, this is so damn beautiful. Oh, let's get it. Right here's the railroad bridge, and we're still trying to listen for that train to come. We figure, let me move up a little bit. Let me see if I can move this down without messing up the camera. Oh, can't do it. We're gonna go down by the creek, or that still could be Muscatatuck River. I'm not so sure. We're gonna go down there and get a better shot. By the way, I'm not carrying a bag to hold the GoPro in or the G70. So I've been carrying the G70 like this over my shoulder. And I got myself a strap for the GoPro. Now, see, right here's the clear spot for the bridge. Man. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh, wow. Let's get this shot on the G70. And with the rest of it, let's do a bunch of shots on G70. Then I'll come back to the GoPro after a while. Oh my word. Okay, this is the Muscatatuck River. We'll do a little pan. We're still waiting to see if we hear that train. I'm starting to wonder if my wife's hearing things.
No, I heard it. Just might have been going the other way.
Oh Lord, we'll see.
Train.
Yeah.
Track.
Okay, let's go down on the Muscatatuck. So beautiful through here. Oh, wow, I don't have the words. And sinuses are kicking my butt today. You can see ice still on the water. Today and yesterday was the first time in 2 weeks we came out of the deep freeze. All right, let's go down further. Right there's a beautiful shot. We get a train. We might get it from this angle here or over where Angie is, which is just right there. I am standing on sand right now. But my God, look at this. Oh, wow. Should we zoom in a little bit? Let's do it. There we go. Just a tad bit. There we go. If the train was to come, I might back up about 5 feet, and this is where I'm going to get it from. I can't hear anything, obviously, because I'm deaf, but Angie might still. Let's go down where she's at right now and get some shots of the river down that way. I don't have the words for this. Holy smokes. I don't know if you can see Angie in a distance, but that's where we're going. Because maybe from that side I might get a better angle of the bridge if a train was to come. Okay, let's get back on the GoPro as we walk down further. Wow. I am sliding down in the sand. I love it. Oh, I hope my mic volume ain't too loud. I check it before I do the next shot. Oh, wow. I don't have the age or when this thing was constructed, but wow. Man, I really need to start getting some shots of the Muscatatuck River while I'm here too. Angie, you hearing that train any? Oh.
I think it must have been going the other way.
Well, it might be going completely away from us. I mean, the train might have came through already. Dang blasted. Wow. I could do some zoom in shots, y'all. I probably won't put no music to this either. I don't know. You guys need to let me know down in the comments on some of the shots. Will you like to have some music? I think the music might make some of the shots I do in the near future and what I have done pop more. Okay, let's go back around. Let's go down around that corner right yonder, and let's take a peek-see. It's about as far as I can go. That's okay though. But yeah, all through here in North Vernon, Indiana, you know, the Crosley Monster, otherwise known as Bigfoot. A lot of people believe in him. Yeah, even the mayor made a statement on a video that I have watched about some of the places that we've been in the past. Even he says folklore, urban legend, Bigfoot, Crosley Monster. He didn't say he believed in it, but he says only because he hasn't ever seen them, like I say. Isn't that a sight right there? Isn't that a thing of beauty? Oh man, just imagine if we could get a locomotive just coming right across there, blowing his whistle. Oh man, that would be the icing on the cake. But I'm starting to wonder if we're going to get a train now. Holy. But it's quite beautiful, isn't it? It sure is. Angie and Kitt's right up yonder there. Kitt's watching and wondering where Dad is. So let's head back up to him. Oh, let's not head back up to him just a second. No. Sorry about that, guys. No, there's some limestone right yonder. Oh, I got a thing for limestone. Yeah, we was here yesterday. We didn't do any videoing yesterday because I didn't fill up to it. Yeah, like I said, we was here yesterday. And I was out, I was in the field, I was doing some videoing, which you guys seen that. And I don't know, I was a little on the tired side and I wasn't feeling it, so we walked all through here. We scoped this all out yesterday. And I told Ange, I was like, you know what, we need to come back. We need to come back here so I could do it justice. I'm going to stop right here at this point. I see another perfect shot for the G70. Oh my word. Whew. All right, let's get some G70s on the way up. Then we'll do some talking and probably stay here for a while. And there's that wind. Oh, it's going to mess up the G70. If the wind's too bad, I may have to put music to it. But we'll stay here a while. Yeah, just in case the train does come. I was waiting a little bit for the wind to die down. Yeah, I hope I don't have to put music to this shot because this is a beautiful shot right here. Now we're going to go ahead and zoom in. Let's zoom this thing right on up. There we go. Pan over a little bit. There we go. Oh, fantastic. There we go. Zoom back a little bit. Wow. Holy smokes. All these trees with the roots hanging out is something to talk about, isn't it? Wow. You hear a few car sounds in the background, but beyond that, Mother Nature's talking to us, y'all. You just gotta listen. Whenever you're out in the woods, forest, wilderness, whatever you might call it, listen, because Mother Nature has things to tell us. That's right. Okay, continue on down. Something about the trees, the holes in the trees, I've always been fascinated with that. We're going to do some zoom in shots right up here, see if I can be lucky enough to get some of the ice on the water. When we was here yesterday, there was a lot more ice. Today we got up to 55 degrees. Windy as all get out, and yesterday was 40. But the days before that, we was down in the teens. Yeah. Alright, I better go up there where Angie is and get on the GoPro from here and, do some talks on my way up to Angie. Because I don't know how behaved Kitt is. I think she's up there just resting. Oh, nope, she's not. See, Kitt don't behave when I'm not around. One of the things I love about my monopod, which is right here, it only has the one leg. It's a lot easier to deal with than my tripod, but I do have my tripod. I do have my tripod on board in the car, because there are some shots you definitely need a tripod for. I was thinking I might have to use a tripod if that train was to come. Yeah. So I want that shot to be as steady, just as steady as can be. Starting to think the train's not going to make it here. I was so excited when we got out of the car, and he's like, Michael, I hear the train. I was like, oh, only been here about 45 minutes now. There ain't been no train. Yeah, Angie thinks it already went through and is headed down yonder that way. Well, hello, Bubby. You being a good boy for mommy? You being good?
No, he was digging.
Digging, oh. Thought you only did that when we go fishing, huh? Oh, look at him, there he is. Okay, Kitt, sit. Sit. Good boy. Does he do that for you?
Yeah.
Good, good. That's my big boy. How you doing, huh? How's you doing? Oh, I held the camera's on. Don't pull, mommy. The camera's a little lopsided there. How you doing, Bubby? Okay, I'm gonna play with Kitt for a while, guys, and I'll be back. We're gonna probably close her down here soon. See, we got rain coming in, and when I was back there getting them shots back there, I was wondering. I was like, it's starting to get very cloudy and dark. Rain's moving in. All right, guys. I want to be able to put the G70 up proper while my trunk lid's open, and it might take a little bit. So guys, I tried to get a train. I tried. I want a train so bad in my videos. You have no idea. I tried. So leave it down in the comments. What do you think of this place? Don't know what to name this video. I have no freaking clue. But I'll come up with something. But isn't this a thing of beauty? Okay, the next video will probably be a vlog from me walking Kitt somewhere, and Angie and I will keep our eyes out. Obviously, we got other places to go in the future, obviously. You know, we just got to find Mother Nature cooperating with us. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button. Until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.